Gemini is a Google Workspace tool designed to enhance user experience with AI-powered features like smart email management and personalized recommendations. To enable Gemini in Google Workspace, follow these steps. Log into Google Admin Console. Go to admin.google.com and sign in with your admin credentials. Navigate to the Apps section. In the Admin Console, click on Apps. Under Google Workspace, find and select Gmail. Enable Gemini. Look for the AI Features section. Toggle a setting to enable Gemini. Configure Gemini settings. You can customize the Gemini settings based on your organization's needs, including permissions for using AI-driven suggestions in Gmail. Enable or disable features such as smart replies, intelligent search, or email summarization. Save changes. Once you've enabled and configured the features, click Save to apply the changes. Test the features. Go to your Gmail and check for AI-driven suggestions and enhancements provided by Gemini.